I'm George Ratiu, Senior Economist with Realtor.com. Spring has officially arrived, bringing warmer weather and, typical for March, unexpected storms. The economy and housing data mirror the weather this week. On the upside, the Bureau of Economic Analysis upgraded the fourth quarter 2020 GDP advance during its third revision, highlighting that the economy rose more than initially estimated. Another positive, unemployment insurance claims declined to the lowest point since mid-March of 2020, just before the quarantines, and also lower than the pre-pandemic high during the Great Recession. However, we're away from a healthy employment level, given the still high number of Americans depending on benefits. On a downside, orders of durable goods declined in February, breaking a 9-month growth streak as orders dropped across all categories except commercial planes. However, manufacturers expect the decline to be temporary as the stimulus continues to boost spending and investments. On the real estate front, the week highlighted the impact from February's severe winter storms. Sales of both existing and new homes declined in February as snow and ice blanketed much of the country, compounding the impact of rising mortgage rates and home prices. In more recent activity, Realtor.com's weekly data showed that demand remains unseasonably high, keeping the housing market very competitive for buyers who are struggling with higher prices and fast-selling homes. More inventory is clearly needed. Realtor.com released 2 timely reports this week. The first one looked at February's hottest housing metros and highlighted that smaller suburban and outlying markets continue to rise in demand rankings as affordability remains front and center for buyers. The other report highlighted the challenges that today first-time buyers face in a market rife with historically low inventory, contingency waivers, and price escalation clauses. The report spotlights the fact that first-time buyers remain attracted to homeownership as a way to invest in their families, communities, and financial well-being. Also this week, mortgage rates jumped to the highest point since June of last year as investors looked more optimistically to the next 9 months. Not surprisingly, mortgage applications declined as refinances took a step back. Notably, purchase applications continue rising. Enjoy the spring blossoms, stay well, and take care of yourselves and your families.